We're diving straight into something absolutely fascinating that sits right at the crossroads of artificial intelligence, career development, and entrepreneurship. We are talking about Resumaine, and just a quick note, that's pronounced Resumaine. It's a completely turnkey SaaS platform built to be your career services launchpad. If you've ever looked at the standard job application process and thought, wow, this is completely broken, or if you're an entrepreneur on the hunt for a smart, scalable business in a box, you are in the exact right place today. Okay, let's dive into this. Stop writing, start hiring. That isn't just some catchy piece of marketing text, right? It's the literal core philosophy anchoring the entire Resumaine platform. For the end user, the job seeker, it means totally eliminating the paralysis of staring at a blank page and letting AI handle all the heavy lifting of drafting and formatting. But for the business owner actually operating the platform, it means the exact same thing, just in a different context. You stop writing custom code from scratch, and you start hiring your own customers by launching a ready-made, subscription-based business. So here's our roadmap for the explainer. First, we'll look at the Career Services Launchpad. Second, importing and rebuilding resumes. Third, tailoring and ATS compliance. And fourth, managing your SaaS business. Let's get to it. The Career Services Launchpad, a turnkey solution. So what exactly is Resumaine? Basically, it's a licensed, self-hosted SaaS platform. This means if you are a developer, a creator, an agency, or any business already offering career tools, you can deploy this entire system directly onto your own domain. And honestly, that's a real game changer, because you aren't just some affiliate renting space on someone else's server. You own the data, you own the brand, and you capture 100% of that recurring revenue. It is a complete, ready-to-deploy engine designed to build your business while solving a massive universal pain point for your users. Moving on to Section 2, Importing and Rebuilding Resumes, the AI Foundation. Let's move to this slide and see how this builds. Picture this. A stressed-out job seeker logs into your newly launched platform. They absolutely do not want to start from scratch. So step 1 is the AI Resume Importer. They literally just take their messy, outdated resume, and the AI actively extracts and rebuilds all that scattered work history right into the system. From there, the workflow moves seamlessly to content generation, where the AI fleshes out the details, then it actively tailors that content to specific job descriptions, and finally it runs an ATS check and scores the whole thing. It is this highly structured, totally friction-free journey from a blank screen to a hyper-optimized application. And when we say AI-powered generation, we are not just talking about some glorified spell checker here. The platform is actually writing and optimizing the heavy hitters of the application. It's generating compelling professional bios. It creates these highly optimized summaries that instantly catch a recruiter's eye. It even helps articulate past job descriptions so they sound much more impactful. Plus, it covers the cover letters too. And here's a really cool detail. It includes a CEFR-based language proficiency feature, complete with a per-resume toggle. That means users can accurately and optionally reflect their global language skills on a case-by-case basis. The user just feeds it the raw data, and the AI transforms it into polished, professional marketing material. All right, Section 3, Tailoring and ATS Compliance, the competitive edge. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the stark contrast between tossing out a standard static resume versus sending a fully AI-tailored ATS-compliant application packet. The old standard resume, it's basically a lottery ticket. You throw it out there and just hope for the best. Resume system, however, actively tailors the resume to match specific job descriptions, and it can do this with or without a complimentary cover letter, depending entirely on what that specific application needs. Plus, it includes an ATS checker that literally scores the resume and gives actionable recommendations. This ensures it actually gets past the automated screening software that pretty much all large companies use today. But, the utility of the platform extends way beyond just making a pretty document. It's packed with advanced tools to help the user actually land the job. It offers AI-generated interview Q&A prep based directly on their resume and the specific job role. Users can quickly clone and edit existing resumes so they can apply for different positions at scale. And when it's time to share, the platform hands total control over to the user with privacy toggles, meaning they can make their profile public, private, or password protected. They even threw in QR code sharing, which is perfect for in-person networking events. 2, that is the magic number of distinct PDF export options the system offers, and they are designed for very specific, real-world scenarios. First up, users can export a high-quality image-based PDF. This gives you a flawless, pixel-perfect visual presentation, absolutely perfect for handing directly to a human hiring manager. The second option is the print to save as PDF method. Now, this one is critical because it ensures the text is fully OCR readable and flawlessly ATS compatible. It actively prevents those frustrating auto rejections that happen when automated tracking systems simply can't parse image-heavy files. Finally, Section 4, Managing Your SaaS Business, the Business Engine. And this brilliantly illustrates just how ready for global scale this platform actually is. Just look at the sheer volume of supported payment gateways built right in. From Stripe and PayPal to Paddle, Paystack, and yes, even Crypto.com, you can seamlessly accept recurring subscription payments from almost anywhere in the world. And it handles the complex stuff too, like tax configurations, coupons, and automated invoice generation. Over on the right side, you've got enterprise-grade security and compliance ready to go right out of the box. Two-factor authentication, full GDPR cookie consent, Cloudflare Turnstile, and Google reCAPTCHA. You are quite literally launching a highly secure global business from day one. And because the whole shebang is totally white-labeled, you really make it your own. You upload your custom logos, you dial in your brand's multicolor style themes, and you manage it all on your very own custom domain. The tech stack under the hood is incredibly robust too. It's built on the hugely popular Laravel framework, features REST APIs if you want to do custom development, and includes SEO-optimized dynamic pages along with a built-in blog system to help you drive traffic. You can even securely store user data locally or push it to Amazon S3 cloud storage. It gives you the infrastructure of a tech giant without you needing to write the code yourself. So that brings us to our final thought. The technology to run a highly sophisticated AI-driven career services platform already exists. It's packaged, it's ready, and it is waiting to be deployed. It solves a very real, very painful real-world problem for job seekers while providing a totally clear subscription-based revenue model for you, the owner. So the real question isn't whether the tech is possible, it's this. If you could launch this AI-driven SaaS business tomorrow, completely under your own control, without writing a single line of code, how would you brand it?